Show that the points in the Argand diagram represented by the complex numbers 2 plus 2i minus 2 minus 2i minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i are the vertices of equilateral triangle. First, here what is given? Okay, so write the given data. Given data, we have the three vertices, that is 2 plus 2i. Given 2 plus 2i is the vertex, and another one is minus 2 minus 2i, and next one is minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i. So if we convert these complex numbers, okay, so then we get the points. Okay, so in the Argand diagram we can write it as 2 comma 2. So here a real part and imaginary part. Okay, real term minus 2 root 3 and imaginary is plus 2 root 3. So these are the 3 points. So consider these as A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. Vertices of triangle. So now if we take a triangle, which triangle here is asking? Equilateral triangle. What is the property of equilateral triangle?
All sides are equal.
Very good, very good. All sides are equal in equilateral triangle. All sides are equal in equilateral triangle. So how to prove that all sides are equal? So if uh, the distance from A to B, B to C, C to A are equal, then it is the equilateral triangle. Okay. So for this we use the distance formula. For this we use the distance formula
Since formula.
here. Yes. Okay. So here distance is equals to AB is equals to under root of, okay, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, I'm using this formula here, finding the distance between the A and B, AB. Okay, so minus 2 whole square under root of minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square. So this is equals to under root of minus 2 is minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. 4 square is 16, 4 square is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. 16 plus 16 is 32. So 32 is nothing but what we can write? 16 to the 32. Okay, so 2 into,
Yeah.
okay, so prime factors means, okay, so 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. So we can take out the 2 2's outside as a pair. Okay, so 2 into 2 becomes 2 square, square and root gets cancelled. So we get 1 2 into another 2, one more 2 is inside as is. Okay, so that means we get 4 root 2. We get 4 root 2. Now
True.
find the BC distance. BC is equals to under root of, okay, so minus 2 root 3 plus 2. Minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square. 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square. Now observe here a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. What is the formula? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square,
Yes.
a square plus b square minus 2ab.
Minus
When we
2ab.
add those two, minus 2ab plus 2ab gets cancelled. Okay.
Yes.
So a square plus b square, a square plus b square becomes 2 into a square plus b square. So here the formula is 2 into a square. A is 2, b is 2 root 3. 2 into a square plus b square. If you want, write the formula here. Okay, so the formula is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equals to 2 into a square plus b square is the formula. Okay, so now this is equals to under root of 2 into 2 square is 4, 2 square 4 into 3, 4 into 3. Okay, so now this is equals to under root of 2 into 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 4 16. Okay, so 16 means we can write as 4, this 2 is inside as it is 4 root 2. Okay, BC also equal to 4 root 2. Now find CA. Okay, we are finding the value of CA. Okay, what about CA? CA is under root of CA distance. Okay, 2 minus of minus 2 root 3, 2 plus 2 root 3 whole square plus 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square. Now this is equal to a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Okay, so here also we are using the same formula. Okay, simplification becomes easy when we use the shortcut formula. So 2 into a square is 2 square, b square is again 2 root 3 whole square. Okay, so now this is equals to under root of 2 into 2 square 4. Okay, here this square is applicable for 2 and root 3, 2 square 4 and root 3 whole square 3, 4 3 is 12. So 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 becomes 4 and root 2. Okay, so here all the sides are equal or not? Okay,
Yes.
therefore AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. All sides are equal. Hence
Equilateral triangle.
given points are vertices of equilateral triangle. Hence given points
Are vertices of equilateral.
are the vertices of equilateral triangle. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So come to the next question. So there are the 4 points in the arcand plane represented by the complex numbers. Okay. So 2 plus I, 4 plus 3I, 2 plus 5I and 3I are the vertices of a square. Okay. So what is the property of a square? Tell me what is the property of square?
All sides equal.
Very good, very good. Okay, all sides are equal. If we take a triangle ABCD, all sides are equal. What is the difference between the square and the rhombus?
The angles are not equal in rhombus.
Very good, very good. Okay, so all angles are not equal. Okay, so in rhombus, but here in this, all angles are equal.
Yes.
Okay, any more difference?
No.
Okay, so diagonals are equal in square. Diagonals are
Yeah.
not equal in
rhombus. Yeah.
Okay, so that is another property. Okay, so here if you press two corners of the square, any side,
Yes.
either press this side or this side. When you press, it will go inside. It becomes rhombus.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so once write the given points. Okay, so given points, vertices. Given vertices. One is 2 plus I. Another one is 4 plus 3I. Okay, next 2 plus 5I. And another one is 3I. 2 plus I we can write as 2 comma 1. Okay, real part, imaginary part. Okay, real and imaginary. Okay, representing a complex number in the Argand diagram 0, 3. Okay, so consider these points as A, B, C, D. Don't forget we have to write them in the same order. Okay.
Okay.
Now what we have to use here, also we have to find the distance only. We are finding the distance only. What is the distance formula here? Same formula here. AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus
Whole square
y2
plus
minus
y2
y1
minus y1
whole square. Find the distance between two points. Okay, so here I am finding the distance between A and B point. 4 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. This is equals to 4 minus 2 2 square, 3 minus 2 2 square. Okay, root 4 plus 4 is root 8. Root 8 means 2 to the 4 to the 8. Okay, 2 2's will come out, becomes 1 to 2 root. Root 8 or 2 root 2 is the answer. Now find the BC. BC distance B and C, 2 minus 4 whole square, 2 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square is equals 2 minus 4 is minus 2 whole square 4, 5 minus 3 is 2 square, that is also 4. Root 4 plus 4 is root 8, root 8 is 2 root 2, right? Now find CD.
Yes.
Okay, CD is equals to under root of 2 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 0 2 square 4, 5 minus 3 2 square 4. Root of 4 plus 4 is root 8. Root 8 value is 2 root 2. Okay. CD then DA. Distance. D and A. Okay. 0 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. Okay. This minus 2 whole square plus 4. 3 minus 1 is 2 square 4. Root 4 plus 4 is root of 4 plus 4 is root 8. Root 8 is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Okay, so all sides are equal. AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. All sides are
B.
equal. So almost confirm that. Okay, so it is square, but same property we have for rhombus also, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
How to confirm rhombus? Find the diagonals AC and BD.
Yes.
Okay. So I am finding the diagonals AC distance A and C, 2 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square. 5 minus 1 whole square. This is 0 and the 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 square. 4 square root gets cancelled, we get 4. Okay, so AC is completed. Now BD. Find the distance BD. BD is equals to under root of B and D. 4 minus 0 whole square. 4 minus 0 whole square and 3 minus 3 whole square. 3 minus 3. Okay, between these 2 points. Okay, so now 4 square is we get 4 square and 0 square, so that means it is 4. Okay, diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Okay,
Yes.
so here all sides are equal, diagonals also equal. Diagonals also equal. Okay, so here therefore AB is equals to BC is equal to CD is equals to DA. All sides are equal and diagonals AC is equals to BD, right?
Yes.
And hence the given complex numbers are the vertices of a square. Hence, the
Square.
given complex numbers are the vertices of a square. Vertices of a square. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. We'll go to next question. Show that the point in the argand plane represented by the complex numbers -2 plus 7i minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2i, comma 4 minus 3i, 7 by 2 into 1 plus I are the vertices of rhombus. Are the vertices of rhombus. So what is the property of rhombus? Just now we discussed the property of rhombus.
Diagonals are not equal.
Okay. Once check this. This is a square.
Yeah.
Okay. Even though it is looks like rhombus, it is a square. Diagonals equal means if you keep them equal, square. Now I am pressing in. Okay. Okay. So like this. The opposite vertices I am pressing inside and outside. Okay. So then diagonals are not equal. If the diagonals are not equal, it is a rhombus. If the diagonals are not equal, it is a rhombus, right? Is it correct or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So once we'll check the given point. Given point. Given points. Okay. -2 plus 7i minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2i, 4 minus 3i, 7 by 2 into 1 plus I. These are the given points. If you write them in the argand diagram points, -2 plus and 7. Okay, so and one next point is real and imaginary. Okay, real and imaginary coefficient 1 by 2. Okay, here 4 and -3. And the next point is, okay, so multiply inside 1. Okay, how do we multiply? 7 by 2 into 1, 7 by 2 into I. Okay, so if you multiply inside 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2i, right? So we can write this as 7 by 2 comma 7 by 2. 7 by 2 comma 7 by 2. Okay, so write them as A, B, C, D are the points, 4 points. Now we use the distance formula again. Same.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the distance formula here? Distance AB is equals to under root of
x2
minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And remember here, either x2 minus x1 whole square or x1 minus x2 whole square. y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2. Both are same only. We get the same answer. So you can write the formula as a root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Why? Because the distance from my home to your home is equal to your home to my home.
Yes.
Right? So both the distances are equal. If you measure from my home to your home or your home to my home, both are equal. Right? Okay. So now finding the distance AB. Finding the distance AB is under root of, okay, minus 3 by 2 minus of -2 plus 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 7 whole square. When we compare the previous problems and this problem, only here fractions are different. Okay, the remaining process method is same. There is no change in the method. Okay, so LCM is 2. Here -3 plus 2 to the 4. Okay, for this whole square, and LCM is 2. 1 minus 2 7 is a 14, and whole square. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, 1 minus 14 is minus 13, minus 13 whole square is 169, 13 whole square is 169 divided by 2 square 4. Okay, so LCM is 4, so add the numerator 1 and 169, that is 170, under root of 175 by 4. Okay, so here root 170, if we take the prime factors, 2, 8, 16, 2, 5, 10. Okay, 5 table, 5 ones are, okay, 5, 7, 35. Okay, so all are prime numbers, so there is no use. So root of 170 as is, root 4 we can write as 2. Okay, simplified form, or otherwise we can keep it like that. Okay, why? Because we want to compare the distances only. Values are important. Okay, so we get
Yes.
equal values maybe. Okay, now find the distance BC. BC is equals to under root of B and C distance. 4 minus of minus 3 by 2 becomes 4 plus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, and minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole square. LCM is 2. Okay, so 2 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 whole square plus LCM is 2, minus 6 minus 1 whole square. Okay, 8 plus 1 is 11 by 2 whole square plus minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 by 2 whole square. Okay, so now 11 square is 121 and divided by 4, and minus 7 whole square is 49 divided by 2 square 4. Okay, the denominators are equal, so add the numerators 121 and 49. Okay, so 170, root 170 divided by 4. So that means we can write it as under root of 170 divided by 2. This is the distance BC. Okay, so now find the distance. Find the distance. Okay, CD. CD. Okay, so I'm finding the distance CD. CD is equals to C and D. 7 by 2 minus 4 whole square. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
And 7 by 2 minus of minus 3 plus 3. 7 by 2 plus 3 whole square. Okay, so take LCM. LCM is 2. 7 minus 2 4 8 whole square. Tell me first what we get next. 7 plus 2 3 is 6
7 plus 6.
whole square. Now simplify and tell me. 7 minus 8 minus 1 by 2 whole square. Next one, 7 plus 6.
13 by 2. Sorry.
Okay, so next step, minus 1 by 2 whole square becomes plus. We have square, so that's why we get plus.
Yeah.
1 by 2 square is 4.
1 by
13
4.
square
169 by 2.
9 and 2 square is 4. Denominators are equal, so LCM is 4 only. So add the numerators 1 plus 169, 170. So that means root 170 divided by 2. Divided by 2. This is CD. Now find the D and A distance. Okay. A, B, C, D. Okay. So we find the distance D and A. 7 by 2 plus 2 whole square plus 7 by 2 minus 7 whole square. So take LCM, under root of LCM is 2 here, 7, 2 to the 4 whole square, LCM is 2, 7 minus 2 7 is the 14 whole square. Okay, so 7 plus 4, how much we get? 11. 11 by
11.
2 whole square. Next, 7 minus 14, how much?
7
Yes,
minus 7.
minus
Yes.
7 by 2 whole square. Okay. 11 square is 121 divided by 4 plus
4
7
plus
square 49 by
49
4.
by 4.
Yes. Okay. So denominators are equal. Add the numerators. So that is 170. 121 plus 49. How much?
121.
Divided by root 4 is 2. So all the distances are equal. AB, BC, CD,
Yes.
and DA. All are equal. Okay. So we have to find for confirmation. Is it square or rhombus? For confirmation, we have to find the BD and AC.
Diagonal.
Okay. Now, so I am going to okay. So here we want AC and BD diagonal. I am finding the AC diagonal distance under root of A and C. A and C 4 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2 minus 3 minus 7. 4 plus 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus 7 whole square. Okay, so 4 plus 2 6 square minus 3 minus 7 minus 10 whole square. 6 square is 36, 10 square is 100. Okay, so this is under root of 136. Now find the BD also. BD diagonal distance. Okay, B and D. 7 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 2. 7 by 2 minus 1. 7 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 2 becomes plus 3 by 2 whole square, and 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square. Take LCM. LCM is 2 only. So denominators are equal. So add the numerator. Okay. So here also the same. 7 minus 1 and whole square. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 by 2 whole square plus 7 minus 1 6 by 2 whole square, right? What is 10 by 2?
Yes. 5 square.
5. And 6 by 2?
Yeah. 6 by 2.
5 square 25. 3 square 9.
9.
Root of 25 plus 9, how much? 34. Root 34 and root
Yeah.
136 are equal or not? Equal or
Not
not?
equal.
These two are equal or not?
Yeah, not equal.
Not equal. So it is confirmed. This confirmed. So here
Yes.
all the distances AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Distances are equal, but diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. So AC is not equal to BD. Okay. Hence the given. Okay. Hence the given vertices are points. Given vertices form a rhombus. A rhombus. Understood?
Yes.
Okay.